guys, my name is Robert and this is my sister.
Rihanna.
Today we're gonna try to make a ping pong that won't spin off. For this we need a goblet and a ping pong ball. And I'm gonna go ahead and try. Okay, abracadabra, boo. Comment your record if you got it on your first try. Please like and subscribe. Bye.